told you to say Bella. I told you. I told him to say Bella, but he didn't understand me. What did I tell him? What did I tell him?
Get out.
What did I tell him?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Bella.
Bella, what happened to Bella?
She died.
She didn't die. Her eyes opened rojo like a diablo. She did, que no? She did, no? She did. Hey, I swear that picture was real. That picture with Pitbull, it was real. I swear to Bobby. I swear. Hey, ¿cómo estamos, niños? Aquí estamos aquí en Crunch Televisión. How are you guys doing? You guys doing good? You guys doing good? I'm not crazy. Yo no estoy loco.
Stay away.
Hey, cálmate, niño. Yo no te digo que estamos aquí. Cálmate, niño. Que se calme, niño. Que se calme, niño. Cálmate, niño. Cálmate. That little crazy little kid. Who wants to go to Crunchyroll? Who does? Who does? We're gonna go to Crunchyroll and stay tuned. We'll be back. And we'll be back, you guys. Let's go!